The center part, low ponytail. This is for jazz, for hip hop, for tap, contemporary, all of the above, acro, anything but ballet. Ballet, you'll follow the ballet bun tutorial. So we get the hair nice and wet. On older kids, the best way to do it is if their hair is not super clean, and then to just spray it with a bottle. But if they happen to come out of the shower, it's not a big deal. But the dirtier the hair, sometimes for kids with thicker hair, it really helps not have any flyaways. So we pull the hair down and past the ears. I get it down into this lower ponytail, and she has really thick hair. So what I would do with her is I'm gonna put gel in my hands. I'm gonna get it so it's not goopy. And then I'm gonna just go over these spots by her ears, and by her neck. So then when I smooth it with the brush, it really comes down. And then I'll run it all the way through. Awesome. And then we come back with the brush and smooth all this down. So for her hair, I would do 2 hair elastics, and she has darker hair, so you can use a black or a brown one. I think if your hair is thick and you only put one, it will for sure come out. And I try to pull it as tight as I can. So same thing with spray the brush. Smooth it all down. And at the end, close your eyes, close your mouth. You're gonna have great hair. We just spray this all down. Awesome. And then at the end, just to kind of finalize the ponytail, we just flat iron it to make sure it's nice and straight. Your child has layered hair. She doesn't have layered hair. There's these barrettes. They come in all different colors, so whatever color hair you have, you can get that matching barrette. And then it's usually around here as to where the hair comes out. So just go like that and clip it in. And that'll keep layers down. Isabel doesn't have layers, but I've had a lot of kids. If you try to use a bobby pin, it falls out, but these are the best